Hey guys, doing a little quickie on a breakfast pancake using the corn muffin mix. And I got a pan hot with some fat, and this has an egg, a little bit of oil, and a little bit of milk. A little bit. There's a consistency. Okay, and I'm gonna make a pancake. Just gonna center it in the pan. I'm gonna get the oil distributed underneath. I like bigger pancakes. You can add some blueberries to this if you'd like. I like to roll it around. I'm gonna bring the heat up a little bit. And what I want to do is I want to look for those bubbles. It's a seasoned pan. I just cooked a few things in it. But again, you don't want to go too fast. Work that oil around. Bring that heat up. And you're going to see the edges start to form. You're going to start to see the bubbles coming up. You don't want to go too fast. A lot of people, they're hungry when they do this, and they end up doing it too fast. End up too much heat and end up burning it. But you can see the bubbles coming. Take a little peek underneath. Still needs to firm up. You want about half the surface to start to bubble. Okay? Just I like to keep it in motion. But I mean, the pancake size is set. I'm going to take a little peek underneath. Yeah, looking good. I shook it a little bit and took some of those bubbles out. So I'm going to attempt my flip. Perfect. Now again, this is just using a muffin mix, which you can do, and makes a great pancake. Has the sweet in it already. Just milk, egg. I add a little bit of flour. I'm sorry, oil, and I put a little grease in the pan. I love using natural lards. Okay. I feel for I want it to harden up a little bit. Okay. Look, yeah. And this is ready. Doesn't take long, guys. Okay. Just wanted to show you this. Take a little bite here. Boy, I love these. This is better tasting than the pancake stuff that you get in the box. This is a corn muffin pancake. So much better than regular. It's light and fluffy. Beautiful. Doesn't need syrup or anything. It's perfect. Beautiful. You can put an egg on top of this. Wow, it's delicious. All right, guys. That's what you can do with this. Cheap. These are about 60 cents a box. And I got a ton left. So I'm going to make some more because I'm hungry. All right, guys. Have fun.